Alright, so basically me and the SUPER73 team are going out for some brunch, and then we're gonna go ride.
Chad said he needs time in the bathroom.
Okay.
He didn't look well.
So that's my man Parker Pitman. We're out here with some of the SUPER73 team, and we're gonna go ride on the boardwalk, which is gonna be sick. Okay.
Sorry, yeah, I was just looks like 3 or more. That's like a gang. That's like an official. I've seen them. The 73s they're made in Irvine, aren't they? And then this is that like the Surron or what is that?
What's good?
That looks good, man. You look like you're built for speed. Switch throttle too?
Yes, sir.
I'm not just ready. Ready? I'm ready, Freddy.
Okay. Hey! Yeah, let's go, baby! I got the wheelies.
Is your hat too floppy? You want me to take it back to the truck?
Are we riding on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Fuck that. I'm riding on the street. Yeah! Let's get it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Yes, sir. You're crazy, bro.
The boardwalk's so busy.
But you're nimble. I see you. Yeah, we got the SE bikes out. Let's get it. Ah!
It's sharp. Wherever I want to turn, it'll go.
Yeah. Alright, wheelie with me, bro. Hey.
Commit to balance.
No. Do that again, Dillon.
Was he wheeling?
Yeah, do that again.
Loop out. Yes, sir.
Haha.
Because I'm not lifting the bike up. And then if you were to hold it with the brake on right now, that's what's holding me up. This was like to go back and forth on the 2. It kills me. It kills me that I can't do it like that.
Wow. Let's go, baby. Fuck. I don't really do any circle wheelies. I'm always going straight.
Yeah, dude, your straight line shit though, your knee combos, like, I want to be able to do it. Like, I just can't.
Yeah. Let's go, Parker. Yeah.
So much. All right, we're gonna move down. We're gonna go like a little bit deeper.
Fuck yeah. Haha. Vape down, vape down.
Dig down.
We out. Everyone's hyping him up right now. I gotta get in on this. Oh my god. Don't drop it. Ah! There was like a 30-second span there where everyone you rode by was like, whoa! I love getting hyped up on a wheelie, bro. It's the best feeling. We out.
Yo, I'm on a dirt bike on the boardwalk.
Yeah, my man.
I'm on a fucking dirt bike. Taking e-bike on the dirt.
Once he was sitting in the slip, he wasn't even moving. And the Duffy ran into him because he had his light on inside and he couldn't see.
Wow.
That's pretty cool to mount it up there. Do you
Up
put
there.
your foot up on the handlebars when you're wheeling?
Yeah, bro, I can do both feet up over the handlebars at the same time.
You guys aside, please.
Oh, oh, hey, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Aw.
It's a little bitty baby island. No
Oh, so that's it right there. You're
I don't
looking
know.
at it.
That was sick.
Hell yeah, bro. Thanks, dude. Yes, sir. We got the e-bikes out wheeling today. Yeah. Let's get it, baby.